Hey guys, welcome to another video of What the Fuck Is She Doing Now? Pumpkin decorating! So I decided to put on some cat ears and makeup since Halloween's were right around the corner. And then after I was done with this video, I went outside and talked to my neighbor for 20 minutes, not realizing I had the makeup. So what we need today is your glue gun, pumpkin, some decorations. We've got some succulents, some fake moss, some fake crystals. I got all of this at the dollar store, so it was really inexpensive. And my pumpkin was from Walmart, so it was only $4. Now when you use your glue gun, make sure to put a towel underneath since things do get sticky. So we're gonna start with our moss. Oh, I just realized it's not one big sheet, it's a bunch of little pieces. And we're gonna use that as our base to put our succulents on. But first, let your glue gun heat up, because this took me a really long time to get things to stick to it when it's not fully heated. In a circular motion, keep adding your glue and your moss around your pumpkin until you're tired of it getting glued to your fingers. This is the point that I gave up, but now we have a mossy little island for our succulents. We're gonna rip off the base of these succulents as best as you can and put them to the side. When doing so, be careful not to punch yourself in the face like I did. Grab your trusty glue gun and now start displaying them around your pumpkin moss. Try to move as fast as you can so you don't end up gluing your hand to your pumpkin. Keep in mind, you can also decorate your pumpkins for the fall and Thanksgiving and go to the dollar store and get some fake flowers or some fake leaves and use them as centerpieces for Thanksgiving. I couldn't get the stem off this one, so if that happens, just use a little bit more reinforcement glue and slap it on there. I love how it's turning out already! So now it's time to use our fake crystals. I believe they're just glass from the dollar store, so remember not to use real crystals. They're our friends, guys. Lastly, we're going to decorate with some rope to finish this boho-looking succulent pumpkin. Work your way around your pumpkin with your glue gun and your rope, and you're almost done with your project. Also, try not to get your glue gun and your rope tangled together. Ta-da! And there you go, a happy pumpkin. Have a great Halloween, guys.